A user-friendly employee self-service portal is an important factor that influences employee experience and engagement at the workplace. With the help of greytHR's upgraded ESS portal, you can now enjoy an enhanced user interface, a more transparent and interactive experience, significant performance improvement, and quicker turnaround times. Let's see it in action. Log into greytHR's employee self-service portal using your employee ID and the password. On the landing page, you will get a quick access to your workflow request, leave information, upcoming holiday details, along with a manual sign-in option to mark your attendance. Click on View My Info to view your profile information and use the settings icon to manage your profile. The landing page will also help you in navigating to the other tabs such as Feeds, Tasks, Salary, Leave, Attendance, Documents, and so on. The Feed tab is a place for all social networking within your colleagues within the organization. Along with that, view birthday messages, company news, and work anniversary messages on this section. Also post useful content and comments on others' posts from here. Navigate to the Review section under the task to manage the workflow request which is pending for your approval. Act on these requests by using the Approve or Reject button. The Salary tab is where you find the summary of your payslip, YTD reports, IT statements, IT declaration, loan statement, etc. Click on the respective section for more details. For example, under the payslip section, view your current month payslip. To view any other month's payslip, select the relevant month and view the details. The download icon on this page will allow you to download the payslip in a PDF format. Similarly, view your reimbursement payslip by clicking here. You can always click here to add this page to the quick links. View your YTD and the PF YTD statement by navigating to the YTD report section. Use the IT statement section under the Salary tab to view and download your individual income tax statement. Apart from your payslip and other payroll-related documents, you can also declare your income tax from the IT declaration section. Click here to start the process. Use the edit icon in each of these sections to enter your declaration amount. Once the changes are done, click on Update. Follow the same process to edit any other sections on this page. Based on your declarations, you can view your net tax amount. Also preview a declaration before you submit for approval. Click here and go back to the previous page to submit your declaration. Your declaration is now submitted for approval. Post-approval, your declarations will be considered for payroll processing. Use My Tax Planner option on this page to create and compare multiple plans before you submit for approval. Now let's move on to the Loan Statement tab to view your active and closed loan details. Click on the respective sections for more details. Now since you have understood where to find your payroll-related information on your greytHR ESS portal, let's figure out how to manage your leave information on greytHR. As mentioned earlier, greytHR's ESS portal offers a centralized platform where you can view your leave information and manage your leaves. Also, managers can view their team members' leave information and act on these requests. My Leave section under the Leave tab will help you in applying for leave. You just need to select the leave type and fill your details such as applicable dates, applying to, which is nothing but your leave approver, and fill other details such as contact details, leave reason, etc. to submit your leave request. Your leave request is now submitted for approval. You can click on the Pending tab on this page anytime to see your leave workflow request which is pending for approval. Also, you get an option to withdraw your leave request. Similarly, apply for leave cancel, comp of grant, encashment request, etc. from this section. Please note, if you're getting any error message while managing a leave on greytHR, it could be because of the leave policy configured for that leave type. Kindly get in touch with your respective HR or admin for more details about your company's leave policy. The Leave Balance section under the Leave tab will help you to view the leave balance available in your account, Click on View Details for more information. Similarly, view the team members' leave balance information by selecting their names from here. This option is available only in the Manager's ESS access. The Leave Calendar section offers a quick view of the number of employees opting for leave in a selected day of a calendar month in your organization. Navigate to the Holiday Calendar section to view your general and restricted holidays for the calendar year. The Team on Leave section will give you an insight about your team members' away leave transaction details in a calendar view. Now let's move on to the Attendance tab. Your complete attendance inside of the previous month is displayed under the Attendance Info tab, such as average work hours, average actual work hours, penalty days, etc. You can view your current month's attendance information in a calendar format on this section. Select a day from the calendar to view the shift details, swipe details, session details, etc. You can also view your attendance scheme details on this section. Click on the legends to view the details of shifts codes and other status displayed on this page. My Regularization tab will help you in managing all your regularization requests. Select the day from the calendar to apply for regularization, enter the details and click on Submit to complete the task. Your request is now waiting for the approval. Apart from your attendance info, all other sections under the Attendance tab will be available only in the Manager's ESS portal. The Who's In section displays the sign-in status of the employees for a selected day. You will also get an option to filter the employees using the various filter options here. Also, view your team member swipe information under the Employee Swipe section. Post-attendance process, the managers can view their team members' absent or present information in the attendance master page. Click on the Download button to download the same into your system in an Excel format. On greytHR, managers can view and assign your respective team members' shift information from the Shift Roster section on the ESS portal. To manage employees' attendance on greytHR, it is mandatory to assign an attendance scheme to your employees. As a manager, you can view and assign an attendance scheme for your respective team members from the Attendance Scheme Assignment section. From the Attendance Scheme drop-down, select the status as unassigned to filter the list of employees for whom the attendance scheme is not assigned. To assign an attendance scheme, simply select the employees, then select the scheme and the effective from and click here on Submit. The selected employees are now assigned to the attendance scheme successfully. Now, since you have understood how to manage your payroll, leave and attendance information on greytHR, let's move on to the Document section. The Documents tab contains all the documents which have been uploaded or approved by your admin, such as your academic certificates, project details, and letter published by the admin for you, your year-wise payslip, Form 16, various other forms like HR forms, PF forms, company leave policy, etc. You can view and download them into your system by clicking the Download Document icon from the relevant section. Navigate to the People tab to search any employee within your organization. As a manager, you can find your team members' information under My Team section. You can use the Helpdesk feature on greytHR to raise a ticket and track them. Individuals who are assigned with certain categories then go ahead and resolve these tickets. View your active and closed Helpdesk ticket details on this section. To create a new request, click on the New Request icon and enter the details such as category, subject and description. Also select the priority level before you click on the Submit button. Finally, the Message Center option on the taskbar will allow you to view all the notification which is sent to your attention by the admin or HR in your organization, such as bulletin board messages, emails, SMS, etc. All other general notifications can be found below the Message Center tab. With that, we come to an end. greytHR's Employee Self-Service or ESS portal offers quick and easy access to all your HR payroll related data through a single portal. I hope you found this video useful. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to get updates about our upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.